Can we go get food?
Yes.
Okay. You have money?
Ah! Oh my god! You're supposed to hold it!
Dude, it's hard.
Do you have money for food?
Yes!
Okay, good. Because all I have for the $20 in my pocket, and I need to buy a bird cage with it. Hold on, I'm almost on this road, and then you can let go of it. Kind of.
Let me just...
Well, we just had a nice, interesting photo shoot at a park with me in a tiny outfit.
Vagina dress.
And it's freezing out. And I was sitting on a swing and had to get up on top of the swing to put this stupid backdrop over the swing, and cold and...
But we're going to go get food, so it's okay.
You're gonna go get food, and then I thought we'd go to Hobby Lobby to buy those bird cages.
Yeah.
I'll drive all the way out to fucking Hobby Lobby. Fine. Really need to find a more efficient way of doing this.
Alright, we're gonna get a bird cage.
I was thinking of a few. I want one for the one I'm in, and then
Hey,
like
that light's red.
two. I'm slowing! Now it's green. Look at that.
Oh my god. You drive like the ShamWow guy if he drove. I recommend Arby's.
Alright.
So you get in that lane for the Arby's.
Shut the back up!
Move one lane over.
Hey! Who's driving? You could have drove today.
I know, but I always drive.
Exactly. It was like trying to merge. Maybe you should hold it now. Oh my god, time to start holding it. Are we gonna go into Arby's? Yeah, I'm gonna go. We're gonna go in.
We're gonna go in?
Yes.
I'm okay with going in.
I was like, we're just going in. We're gonna do it.
Just put a seatbelt. I've got you. We've got this. Oh,
Merging! Fuck! That was ridiculous. Okay.
I'm gonna prevent my enabling death with my seatbelt on.
Going around a bend.
I've got it. Oh, this is not an action movie, Christine.
I don't even, I'm only going 70. Maybe I should
70?
Maybe I should slow down. Oh. What is the speed limit here?
I don't know, but it's not whatever you're doing.
I think it's like 65.
I don't really want to die today. Maybe tomorrow. Not today.
I'm going 70 again. Slow the fuck down. Oh, that guy's going like 90.
It's not a race.
Okay, now I'm going like 65.
Whoa. Hey, that exit.
Ah! Fuck!
You almost missed the exit.
I don't know where I'm going. This is the first time I've driven here.
Just follow that guy. That guy's got it going on.
So we went to Hobby Lobby to go get a prop for one of my photos. Hobby Lobby's closed right now on a Sunday. Who closes on a Sunday? So then we were gonna go to the mall. There's Mark on my camera. Get that unicorn out of here. We were gonna go to the mall to see if there was anything there. And as we pull up, the mall is closing. So now we're at Michael's. And I know they're gonna have what I want at Michael's. I'm just not really sure where to go. I want something very specific. and I don't know where it'll be. When I saw it before, it was just like chilling on a shelf up at the front.
Well, these are tiny little bookcases.
Where at? Oh my god, that's exactly what I wanted.
You're silly.
You distracted me. Here, have this camera. Oh my god, that's expensive. Hey.
How expensive is expensive?
It's $19.99.
Well, yeah, but there's a sale. It's 40% off.
What are you doing?
Scaling the environment.
Scaling. You're not scaling anything. Scanning.
I meant scanning.
Scaling.
Scaling the environment.
Scaling environment.
Looking at these nice things. Alright. This music is sexy and sensual. Where's that guy at with the squeaky cart? Because I can hear him.
No, he's close by.
I want a hand.
Why?
So I can put stuff on it. Or I can paint it. Dare to go up there. I dare you. I'll double dare you.
That guy was there. I don't want him to like come back like, hi.
Oh, he won't, I promise. Poussoir. Small Asian children.
Hey. They're about to close.
Close in 15 minutes. I'm leaving you inside 'cause you don't matter.